Hi everyone, welcome back to Gear and Grips, the place where horsepower meets heartbeats and every engine roar feels like music to our ears. Today, we're diving deep into something that's not just a car, it's an experience. Say hello to the 2026 Lamborghini ASMR, a machine that fuses raw performance with a sensory overload that hits every gearhead right in the soul. Let's start with what makes this Lamborghini truly different. The ASMR isn't just about blistering speed. It's about sensation. Every line, every curve, every note from the engine has been tuned not just for power, but for pleasure. The ASMR, in its name, stands for Automobili Sensory Motion Reignited, a bold nod to Lamborghini's focus on combining aggressive design with calming, almost meditative audio cues both inside and outside the cockpit. Under the hood, the 2026 Lamborghini ASMR doesn't hold back. It features a hybrid V10 powertrain, delivering a thunderous 850 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this beast rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds. The top speed? A jaw-dropping 355 km/h. But here's the twist, this Lambo comes with an integrated audio feedback system, blending engine acoustics with cabin resonance to create what can only be described as high-octane ASMR. It's like meditation, but at 8,000 RPM. Inside, the experience becomes even more surreal. Lamborghini has redefined luxury with a minimalist but high-tech interior. Alcantara and carbon fiber dominate the surfaces, while ambient lighting adjusts according to speed, mood, and even driver heartbeat. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to biometric sensors, the ASMR's cockpit syncs with your emotions and fine-tunes your surroundings in real time. Think calming blue lights when you're stressed or adrenaline red as you step on the throttle. And speaking of tech, this Lambo is smarter than ever. The central display is a fully interactive 3D holographic interface. Gesture controls replace traditional buttons, and voice commands are handled by an AI co-pilot named Leah, designed to talk to you like a friend, not a robot. Leah can adjust the temperature, recommend driving routes based on your mood, or just play your favorite engine tones if you're looking to relax to the sound of raw V10 power. On the outside, the 2026 ASMR is a rolling piece of art. Lamborghini has given it an evolutionary design with ultra-sculpted aerodynamics and active aero components. The front splitter adjusts automatically depending on your driving speed, and the rear wing adapts its angle to maximize downforce or reduce drag. The LED headlights are inspired by the Y-shaped DNA of modern Lambos, while the taillights create a flowing light show when the car is turned off. Yes, even turning it off is a performance. Now, let's talk about the drive modes. You've got 5, Strata, Sport, Corsa, Emotion, and Serenity. Serenity mode is the game changer. It's specifically engineered for ASMR experiences, lower engine noise, softer suspension, soothing interior sounds like rainfall or soft engine pulses. It's perfect for city drives or those late-night cruising sessions where you just want to feel the road and forget the world. Of course, performance is still king here. Engage Corsa mode, and the entire personality of the car transforms. The exhaust barks louder, the suspension tightens, and you feel every inch of the tarmac beneath you. It's brutal, it's beautiful, and it's pure Lamborghini. Now, all of this comes with a price tag. The 2026 Lamborghini ASMR starts at $412,000. But let's be real, this isn't just a car. It's an experience tailor-made for those who don't just drive for speed but drive for feeling. From the symphonic engine notes to the calming cabin acoustics, it redefines what it means to be behind the wheel of a supercar. So, whether you're a speed junkie, an ASMR lover, or just someone who craves the finer things in life with a whole lot of horsepower, the 2026 Lamborghini ASMR is your dream on wheels. And trust me, once you hear it purr in Serenity mode or growl in Corsa, you'll understand why Lamborghini took this bold step. Thanks for watching Gear and Grips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more high-octane content coming your way. Drop a comment if you drive the ASMR in Serenity or Corsa mode. Until next time, stay fast, stay smooth, and keep your grip tight on the road.